Hi everyone, I'm Marshall Carper, and welcome to a special video game edition of Marketing Monday. Today I want to talk about Twitch and the basic fundamentals of what makes Twitch really exciting and really special if you're using it for marketing. So I'm going to be at PAX West all this week. If you're going to be in Seattle with me, feel free to reach out. We should schedule some time to catch up. So I'm going to be talking a lot about video games, and I want to kind of tee this up with a basic understanding of what makes Twitch special and what makes Twitch really engaging. So I pulled up a streamer here. I'm not usually a regular viewer of Sacriel. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I saw that he had a great setup here and a great stream audience. He has a couple thousand people watching him play right now. I wanted to break down how this works and what makes it really engaging and what makes it particularly exciting if you're a marketer. So in the main screen area, he's playing the game. That's the bulk of the video that you're seeing here. And in this video, he's got his gameplay and he's playing this live as we're watching this. This is actually a live stream that I'm recording over top of. He's in the lower right-hand corner. Most streamers do some variation of this where their face is involved, so that way viewers can see their emotions and their reactions. He's got a fancy green screen setup, so it's overlaid really nicely on top of his gameplay. What's particularly exciting, though, is check out the Intel sponsorship branding. So he's got the Intel logo in the bottom left-hand corner here, and then he also has Intel in the top right. And periodically, and I've heard him do this once or twice already, he'll stop and he'll plug Intel. He talks about a contest that they're having, potentially win a PC, and he's using that to promote Intel to his audience. So this is a pretty common influencer marketing approach, this stream branding. But what makes Twitch really exciting, what makes it particularly interesting for engagement if you're a brand using influencers or if you're a brand using Twitch to deliver content, is what's happening on the right-hand side here, and that's the Twitch chat stream. So not only is this content live, which is a pretty special thing to begin with, but the audience that's watching it, they can participate. So they can talk to the streamer, they can make jokes with the streamer, they get a back and forth dialogue, and in this way they're kind of co-creating the content that's being experienced live. And that's what makes Twitch exceptional, and that's what makes it really hard for a platform like Facebook and YouTube to catch up, is because Twitch has had this in its DNA from the beginning, and it's a really big part of Twitch culture. So if you're a brand coming to Twitch, this is a really interesting way to start making your brand an actual part of the conversation. That's something that brand writers, marketing writers have been talking about forever, of making your brand conversation worthy, and here's a platform driven entirely by conversation. So it's pretty exciting stuff, and it's a good thing to start thinking about if you're not familiar with Twitch, is how you can make your brand not only influencer worthy, but also the center of a conversation with the campaigns that you're running. So if you want to learn more, check out my new ebook. Head over to MegaCat to grab it. I'm pretty excited about it. It's got a ton of great information in it, and I think you'll enjoy it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.